All my dear students, today I shall discuss about in UPSC Mains Mathematical Science optional subject and NET CSR. We have this question. NET CSIR and UPSC, BPSC, Mains optional mathematics optional subject. Solve question first. Solve the differential equation d3y dx cube minus 3 into d2y dx square plus 4y plus 4 into dy by dx minus 2y is equal to e to the power x plus cos x. Solution. The auxiliary equation is mq minus 3m square plus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. Put m equal to minus 1, the equation becomes 0. So the differential, so the factorization will have coefficient of mq is 1, coefficient of m square is minus 3, coefficient of m is 4 and constant term is minus 2. 1 1 ja 1, 1 minus minus 2, 1 2 ja 2, minus 2, 2, 2 1 ja 2, 0. M minus 1 into m square minus 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies m minus 1 equal to 0, m equal to plus 1, m square minus 2m plus 2 equal to 0, m equal to minus of minus 2 plus minus root d b square minus 4ac upon 2a. 2 multiply 1 is equal to plus 2 plus minus minus 4 upon 2 is equal to 2 plus minus 2I upon 2 is equal to 1 plus minus I. Therefore, common factor is equal to C1 e to the power x plus c2 cos x plus c3 sin x e to the power x. And particular integration is equal to 1 upon dq minus 3d square plus 4d minus 2 into e to the power x plus 1 upon dq minus 3d square plus 4d minus 2 into cos x is equal to 1 upon d minus 1 into d square minus 2d plus 2 into e to the power x plus 1 upon dq minus 3d square plus 4d minus 2 into cos x. d e to the power x is equal to d upon dx e to the power x is equal to e to the power x d square e to the power x dy dx e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. Therefore d square is equal to 1. d cos x is equal to minus 1 is equal to dy dx of cos x is equal to minus 1 sin x. d square cos x is equal to minus 1 square cos x. Therefore d square is equal to minus 1. Therefore particular integration is equal to 1 upon d minus 1 into 1 minus 2 plus 2 into e to the power x plus 1 upon minus 1 into minus 1 square into d plus 3 plus 4d minus 2 into cos x. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel. 1 upon d minus 1 into e to the power x plus 1 upon 3d plus 1 3d plus 1 into cos x e to the power x into 1 upon d plus 1 minus 1 into e to the power x plus 3d minus 1 into cos x upon 9d square minus 1 is equal to e to the power x into 1 by d of 1 plus minus 3 sin x minus cos x upon minus 9 minus 1 x e to the power x 1 by d of 1, that means integration 1 dx equal to x into e to the power x plus 1 upon 10 3 sin x plus cos x. Therefore the complete solution is Therefore the complete solution is c1 e to the power x plus c2 cos x plus c3 sin x e to the power x plus x e to the power x plus 1 upon 10 3 sin x 3 sin x plus cos x 3 sin x plus cos x. Answer. The complete solution is c1 e to the power x plus c2 cos x plus c3 sin x into e to the power x plus 1 by 10 3 sin x plus cos x. Answer. All my dear students, if my channel is the best, then we like and subscribe. Thank you very much. All the best.